Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 30.12, and today I just want to talk about not always worrying about your 0-point cross or having a perfect fade coming out of your samples. I would say you listen to a lot of 80s and 90s music, you're going to hear all kinds of pops and clicks if you really kind of listen in, and a lot of that gets kind of lost in the mix and the mud of it. So I see a lot of people getting super worried about getting very technical with their chops and everything, but I'm going to play something super sloppy here, just a few notes, and we're going to record it, and I'm going to just show you, like, it's fine. Like, don't worry about it. I mean, worry about it if you need to worry about it, but also if you're just trying to make something that either sounds older or you don't care that much, it's fine. Like, things don't need to fade out perfectly. In fact, you can get some more interesting sounds and details if you don't do that all the time. But I'm just going to record a pad 4 here. I'm just going to play 8 notes, I think, and just noodle around real quick, and we'll just chop it up. And it's going to ring out. I just already stopped it before I wanted to let it finish. Who cares? We just want some sound here, and we want to play around with it. So I'm just going to hit Shift, chop. I'm going to take what we got. You can hear it's playing. I'll turn it down a little, but it's going. It's fine. But we're going to go, actually, before we do this, I think we want to exit out. Yes, it's fine. We can lose the marks. I just want to, what the heck? I did not mean to do emphasis. Well, we've got emphasis now, and we're going to normalize, which is what I wanted to do. All right, Shift and start and end to get into chop. I'm going to go auto mark. And we don't want time division. We want the mode, C2. I think we want a mode based on transient. Let's do hard first and see if we get 8 chops. Nope. I guess we're going to want soft maybe. Let's see if we get 8 chops out of this. Get 2. That's not enough. One more try. Let's see how we get. Well, I'm going to even just do delete all marks. Menu, delete all marks. There we go. Let's just, we're going to play it out. There we go. We got our lazy chop here. I mean, that one sounds a little off, but I'm going to tell you, you can hear the click. Who cares? Especially if you're playing these things like right on top of each other. You're not going to notice this in like a track that as much as you might think you would, but let's go menu. We're going to assign to pad. Let's just knock that out. We've got it. Let's go turn gate off for all these. So the quick way I'm going to do this, I'm going to hit Shift, mute group. Let's just put all these into a mute group. We'll exit out, and then we go pitch speed, hold copy down, and we're going to turn gate off. And now I just have something I can play like however I want. And you can go in and tweak them. But I wouldn't worry like that like little click at the end. It's mostly just because that sound is stopping. It may be not hitting a 0 cross, but I'm going to tell you. Oops. I was thinking that was actually the drum loop that we had on the previous one. I was just going to try and play and show you. It doesn't matter that much. I'm not going to try and hit these drum pads and play other stuff at the same time. I will completely embarrass myself, but just take my word for it. It is something that getting a little sloppy for your chops, it's not that big of a deal. You can always come back and try and tweak these things later if you want to re-chop later, or you can clean them up. There's tons of techniques and ways to do that, but I would say just chop things, play it, have fun with it, and kind of just see what you come up with. So anyway, guys, keep making music, keep having fun, and peace.